Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new year, happy 2024. So my first video of 2024 is to review McGrath palettes and where it is, one lipstick. Let's start from the smaller palettes. The packaging is really nice. I really like this type of pink. It is not too Barbie pink, but it's cute pink. It's a full colors in here. The full name is McGrath Labs and the palette name is Passion Fleur. Those four colors, apart from the burgundy purple one, the rest are shimmer colors. McGrath powder, they're very good quality. High pigment, high color saturation. And I swatched this one first and those three shimmer colors. Can you see? Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Can you see the quality of the shimmer colors? It's a beauty, very, very fine. The colors from individuals are very nice. However, the color combinations, I would put a question mark in a way that personally feel it is not that friendly for beginners or common users like us. This is the darkest color in the palette. You definitely wouldn't use as a base. You would use to define the eyes or to wing out, right? And the rest are high color saturated shimmer colors. Therefore, you can't really pat them on as a base, especially if you have similar puffy eyes like myself. And also, you need to be a little bit talented with colors mixing in order to make either two of them, or three of them actually work together. Alternatively, on the safest part is to use one shimmer color and work with the only matte and the dark color in the palette. Of course, I believe a lot of you out there watching this video, you may feel this is perfectly fine for you. Congratulations, by all means. From the qualities perspective, the powder's blendability, McGrath is very good. But myself, as not a professional makeup artist who isn't that smart or clever with color combinations, this palette, I think it looks nicer to be in the palette. If you have the budget, I would actually go for the big one, which is this one. This one isn't, I don't think it's that new. I've been seeing it for a while. Basically, I bought it on sale. This one is very opposite of this quad. It looks very colorful. It is actually very practical. Those two blush colors and 9 eyeshadow colors, those two can also be used as a base color for your eye look. This one is very, very gorgeous. Within all these colors, there are three colors are my favorite. First one is this blush color. It's not a fully matte. When you tilt it, you see the like a light golden sheen on it. Very, very fine. The second one is this beautiful mermaid color. It's literally look like a perfect mermaid color. It has very nice pink undertone, but when you look at the reflection, it's multiple tones. Very, very attention to details. And the third one, which is the green shimmer color. Look at this. It's like a muddy green. If it's too green, I don't think it's that special. But I think this one is more muddy green, which actually made it more wearable. Look at the attention to details. And let me talk you through how you can utilize the palette to achieve a daily look as well as to enhance to a, party, Christmas, New Year's occasion look. To do a daily look, it's easy to start from the blush color. Tap on your eyelid. It's a very beautiful base color, and it's like a satin silk reflection itself. For the lower lash line, I normally mix this two. Drag it a little bit down. As you can tell, it's way much more pigmented. Then use a smaller brush, mix this too. Then just apply at the out corner. Then just use the fluffy brush, gently soft the edges. You finish the liner and the lashes, your day-to-day look pretty much done. For day-to-day use, this is more than enough. If you want to enhance the eye look, for example, you go for dinner tonight, or it's a Christmas party, for example, which just passed, New Year's party, Valentine's Day, especially if you go out in the evening, those shimmer colors in the palette will be the highlight. First one is this one. Can you see the beauty? It makes your skin look wet. What I did for my Christmas day in Ireland, I used this just as a base and then topped up with this one. Like that. And then use a small brush, dip into this shimmer color. Light-handed, this shimmer color, it is actually more effective than you thought. Make the eye look smoky straight away. Towards the out corner, you gently like sweep it out. Get the glitter, sweep it out a little bit. Can you see the difference? When the eye looks become heavier, we just need to enhance the liner as well, just to kind of matches on. For the lower lash line, just use a gelled liner just to intensify a little bit. Once you enhance here, your eye look looks more like completed. And then if you want a little bit more bling, you can add this lighter green color shimmer to the inner corner. Then let's do the blush gently. This is a very like a cute pink, very lightly, gently dotted on the face. I don't want it too much, as the focus is the eye look. The top up with this one, as this has a little bit more golden shimmer, but only just on top of your cheek. So when you tilt it, you see the color. Here, just would like to quickly show you guys how the sparkles look like under a evening lighting. So beautiful. And some nice pictures to share with you guys of the finishing look. Couple of downside I personally feel. One, from this palette there is no contour color, therefore not necessarily a multifunctional palette which you can bring one palette to sort out all. This one can't really. And secondly, the colors are full color saturation and a high pigment, therefore I wouldn't recommend this to beginners, or if you are not, how to say, you feel you're not that mature in your eye look techniques. Although the powder quality is great, however, when it's a high color saturation, it needs techniques to achieve layering of your eye look. It can very easy to get dirty, if you know what I mean. It's definitely worth it, but it does depends on your makeup techniques. The last one is the lipstick. The color is 1995 108. This color, to be honest, I kind of still in two mind. The lipstick quality itself is really good. It is so creamy, very easy to be glided on. It is fully matte once it's settled, and it can cover your entire lip, which is great. However, this color in particular, I just personally love it, and dislike it at the same time because this color, from my personal liking, is a little bit too ashy, a little bit too gray in there. Therefore, I really need to wear it with specific makeup or slightly heavier makeup to make this color look nice on me, considering my own skin tone itself. Therefore, it has the limitations. But at the same time, once you know, like today's look, once it matched on, it actually very nice. This could also be a perfect nude for some of you out there. So today I'm wearing this just for your reference. As you guys know, I don't use artificial lights, especially presenting lip colors. It's just purely a natural daylight. I'm light yellow warm undertone, and that's the color presenting on my lip, and that's on the swatch. It is very, very comfortable to wear. It does transfer, yeah, but in comparison to other cream or matte lipstick, this lasts perfectly okay. See? So hopefully this video is somehow helpful, and if any of you own some of the palettes like this, please do share your opinion as well. If you're looking for some Pat McGrath product, let's put it that way, which one would you go for first? The lipstick collection or the eyeshadow palettes collection? Please do let me know. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. Love spending time with you. If you haven't subscribed them down here, please do. I will see you on my next video.